2014 Nissan Maxima. It's got stock converters on top, manifolds. Then it's got a 3-inch system all the way back. It's got a resonator in the middle. Then it continues to 2.5. Then it winds out. There was 2 mufflers on it. Those chrome ones right there. They were rattling real bad, so he had them cut off. And we put straight pipe in their place, there and there. Into 4-inch tips, right there and right there. Stainless steel system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.